Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to reorder the interaction in your routing form so you can control the sequence in which they appear to your visitors. For instance, if you are a financial advisor, you might want to ask qualifying questions like income and net worth before showing the available scheduling options. Reordering your interactions ensure these questions appear in the order you want. So let's go. Once you log into your OneSub account, you will see your home screen. From here, click on Routing Forms from the left panel. Once you click on it, you will see all the routing forms on your account. Now click on the routing form in which you want to change the order. For example, I want to ask the name before asking the email address. So to change the order, hover your mouse over the interaction which changes the icon, then click and drag the interaction wherever you want. This will update the interaction order automatically. Now to make sure routings for both the interactions are correct, click on the interaction, then click on Routing tab, and here you can update the routing for each interaction. So here it says it will be routed to the next interaction, which is correct. Now to make sure if the second interaction is correct, click on the interaction, then again routing. And here, as you can see, it routes to the fourth question, which is correct. Now to see the overview of the interaction and routing, you can click on Routing Map. So here you can see the interaction overview and their mapping. So yeah, that was it from my side, and I'll see you in the next one.